Syspro is a platform for powerful enterprise resource planning solutions. It is particularly designed for the manufacturing sector to enable businesses in this industry to synchronize, integrate, and control their manufacturing process. It is featuring document planning, automated billing, general ledger, forecasting, ERP integration, automated scheduling, accounting management, auditing, activity dashboard, fraud detection and electronic payments. Why choose Syspro? Syspro forms and reporting templates are easy to customize. And its purchasing is seamless. It is a web-based software also supported in Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, also in Android and iPhone. Explore detailed product overview and compare with other leading solutions with free trial availability for all at anytechtrial.com.